Perhaps it's a sign of the times. But there is more conversation in the workplace about dealing with ambiguity than ever before, and it usually takes the guise of being comfortable with ambiguity, which is great. I think the opportunity therein is to think of ambiguity as a consistent in life, as opposed to a bump in the road, an interruption to those plans, an emergency where all of a sudden we're struggling how to deal with it. We live with ambiguity every day, every minute of our lives. For instance, I planned this recording session, but who knows? A woodpecker could decide to start work on the tree next to me and ruin the recording. It's happened before. And after this, I'm going to the grocery store to pick up spanakopita. And despite the store's record of having spanakopita in the deli case, it may not be there, and I'm going to have to pivot. And I've allocated 15 minutes to get to the store, but if there's road construction, it could take 20 or 25 minutes. Every turn of the road, around every corner, there is ambiguity. And to be truly comfortable with it, we need to recognize that we have the skill set to deal with it. We have the knowledge bank to deal with it. We have the capacity and facilities to turn it into something productive and good. I think of ambiguity kind of like this. Let's assume you're in the ocean a far ways off the beach and you surf. And you see this big wave coming to you. Now, you can use your skill set and knowledge and ride that wave into the beach to a successful conclusion. Or you can panic, abandon any skill set, capacity, or facility, and let that wave crash over you. Which one gets you to your destination more effectively? Our ability to deal with ambiguity successfully allows us to learn and grow. But if we treat it like a one-off event that requires a 5-alarm solution, then ambiguity is indeed disruptive and interruptive to the process. Control is great. Planning is great. Analysis is great. And I have yet to be part of one project that went exactly as planned. There's always something unexpected that happens. So we should learn to expect it and recognize that we have the capacities and facilities to deal with it successfully so that we can grow as professionals and we can have a team that is successful. If you like this, hit that like button, please share it, and please subscribe. And if you're dealing with ambiguity or other workplace issues, need help with strategy, need help with team dysfunction or building teams or professional development or leadership development, my email is listed below. I would be happy to help you with individual or group coaching and consulting. Thank you.